Hello guys, Assalamu Alaykoum wa rahmatullah. How are you doing? Today we're gonna talk about hundreds and above. Of course, a series of numbers. So without wasting time, let's get started. We stopped on the last lesson on the number 19, and you still remember that from 20 to 90 there is a rule, like 20, 20, 30, 40, and so on until we reach the number 90. So always we add waw, one of the letter of extension, then noon. Today we're gonna talk, as I said before, about 100 and above. So let's see. Let's start it with this example, 3 examples, 100. You all of you know that 100 in English, 100 in German language, and 100 in French language. In Arabic, 100, 100, 100. And as I said, we will start with these examples, and as you remember in the introduction I did before in my last videos, if you still remember, and I think you watched all of them, so I said that I don't want to go deep in explanation in each rule in Arabic language, because it's not that level, okay? It's not that level for the beginner. Later I will explain more why some words in Arabic take some special writings like this. Mi'ah. You may notice that mi'ah, we suppose that we write it like that. Mi'ah. But in Arabic we write it like that. Mi'ah. And we don't spell it, or we don't pronounce it ma'ah. No. We write it with this حرف العلة, علة. But even though we say mi'ah, but not ma'ah, mi'ah, okay? But later we will talk about this. Just focus on the way I'm pronouncing each word of these numbers, okay? So here, mi'ah, okay? 200, we pronounce it مئتان. Here مئة, or here مئة. Here مئتان. مئتان. So we keep up here, we don't stop on مئة, but we said مئة. We open it مئتان. تان. Okay, and here we said ثلاثمئة. ثلاثمئة. Why we don't say ثلاثمئة, but we said ثلاثمئة? Because in Arabic مئة is feminine name. Feminine adjective or feminine name. مئة, because it's and with ta. Ta is or ta refers to feminine adjective or feminine name. Okay, like see سيارة مئة. Here closed ta, and here closed ta. Here, you see. سيارة, it's car, and it's feminine too. For example, closed ta, قنبلة. قنبلة or قنبلة is dependent on the context, as I told you. قنبلة, which is a bomb. A bomb. Boom. قنبلة. So here in Arabic, not in another language, in Arabic, it's considered as a feminine name. So مئة is a feminine name. So as a rule in Arabic, in numbers here, if the number is if the counted thing is feminine, So the number becomes masculine. Name. Sorry for deviated line, okay, of writings. If the counted thing is a feminine name, like this, so 300 مئة is a feminine name. So what is before this number of مئة must be masculine name. It means we mean ثلاثة. We omitted this, we omit this, we remove this. ثلاثة and becomes 300. Okay? If this feminine, this will be masculine name. Okay?